Isa na namang magandang chess opening ang isi-share ko sa inyo. Ang bidyong ito ay para lang po sa mga beginners. So, let's start. E4. Din sinagot naman ng black ng E5. Open game. It is black's classical response to E4 sa pamamagitan ng paggaya ng tira sa white. Nakakakuha ang black ng pantay na bahagi ng center at pagkakataong ilabas at ihanda ang ilang piyesa ng E5. Ang second move naman ng white ay knight F6. White develops a piece to a move, active square. Pinagtitibay ang control sa gitna at sa D4 square and attack black's E5 pawn. This is the most common opening played in chess. Ngayon, kailangang pumili ang black. Ipagtatanggol ang pawn o magsasagawa ng counter-attack. Ang sagot naman ng black, nag-knight C6. Sa ngayon, iniiwasan muna ng black ang pag-commit ng isa pang pawn. This is the most common position after two moves in chess. White has several choices to how to reply, which lead to very different games. White usually decided develop the bishop next. White, the usual advice is to develop knight before bishop by holding off on knight c3. White retains the option of playing c3 and d4 to take over the center with pawns. Ang pangatong tira naman ng white, nag-bishop c4, Italian game. Bishop to good square where it controls a vulnerable diagonal. From c4, the bishop controls d4 and pressure blocks f7 pawn. Nag-knight f6 ang black. Attack the e4 pawn. White has several ways to proceed from this position. Fourth move ng white, nag-d4, open variation. Ang agresibong hakbang na ito ay nagbubukas sa queens, bishop para sa development habang hindi pinapansin ang pag-atake sa e4. Sa halip, white counter-attacks black's pawn. Black has their choice of pawns to capture. So, kinapture ng black, e5 takes d4. Ngayon, nag-castling naman ang white. It gives the white king some security and activates the rook to be able to come to e1, the white e-pawn, or pin any pieces that take the e4 pawn. Black possible sensible replies are knight takes e4, or bishop c5, or d6, or bishop e7. Knight takes e4. Alam na alam niya ang pressure sa e-file. Nakasunod. However, due to the knight on f3, is it not possible to immediately attack the king? White must pin the knight to the king first. What follows is a very open, sharp, and tactical game centered on the e4 knight pin. Nag-rook e1. White pinned the greedy knight on e4. As e5 would be too slow and queen e7 is still a major piece pin. d4 is the only sensible follows. However, as bishop takes d5, followed by knight c3, taking advantage of both pins on the heavy piece equalizes. Immediate knight c3 is an option as well, though less common. Tumira ang black ng d5, sabay na ipinagtanggol ng d5 ang knight sa e4 at inaatake ang bishop sa c4. However, instead of retreating, white may try the move bishop takes d5. White plays ang kahangahangang bishop takes d5 na tila isang pagkakamali. However, after queen takes d5, recapture the bishop. Now, the only sensible response by white is knight c3, using the d1 to d5 pin and e1 to e8 pin to fork the queen and double attack the knight. Most common moves, the queen to e5 or h5. Nag e5 moves the queen to c5. Knight takes knight. Sa ganyan na posisyon ay naging alanganin na ang black niyan. Mayroon naman ang black ng bishop e6. Tumira naman ng white ng bishop d2. Nag queen f5 naman ang black. Bishop g5. Tumira naman ng black ng bishop b4. Knight takes d4. Knight takes d4. Queen takes d4. Bishop f8. Rook e d1. Sumagot naman ang black ng f6. Queen d7, check. Bishop takes d7, kinapture yung kanyang queen. Sumagot naman ang white ng knight d6, check. Nag d8 naman yung king ng black. Nag knight f7 ang white, check. Nag king c8 naman ang black. Rook e8, check. Kinapture ng kanyang bishop. Bishop takes e8. Dito na natalo yung black. Rook d8, checkmate. Thank you for watching.